Know the importance of video-based learning but not sure how to use it? Well, you aren't alone. But don't worry, here are a few examples of video-based learning services that can be used for corporate training. Make learning interesting with short and focused videos. They can be used for training on specific skills or concepts, such as leadership, communication, time management, or refresher training. These videos can be delivered through a learning management system and accessed by employees at any time. Use these videos to draw learners' attention by simulating real-life workplace scenarios and help employees practice critical thinking and decision-making skills in a safe environment. They can be used as standalone resources or for group training sessions. Welcome your new recruits with a video. Introduce them to your company culture, values, and processes via videos and make them feel welcome in a highly engaging way. Videos can be great to explain company policies and procedures, safety regulations, and legal requirements. They are much easier to access and can be used to deliver complex topics in a compelling way. These videos can be used to engage learners and reinforce key concepts via interaction and active engagement. Want to incorporate video-based e-learning content for your corporate training? Reach out to the #1 custom e-learning services provider today. Thank you for watching. Before you go, check out the description below for takeaways. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel today.